Today we will be taking a closer look at the EC37. The EC37 has a maximum dig depth of 11 feet 3 inches, 25 horsepower, and weighs 8,300 pounds. This model is equipped with a 9-foot boom with offset cylinder below the cab. We have long life steel bushings that allow us to have 50-hour greasing intervals. This machine has an additional long arm at 5 foot 11 inches. This machine can have a standard float blade or angle blade. This unit is also equipped with a Volvo hydraulic quick coupler. This OEM coupler can be operated from inside the cab, allowing the operator to switch buckets or turn the bucket 180 degrees. A manual coupler is also available. At Volvo, we recognize the importance of safety, quality, and comfort. This cab is equipped with ROPS, Level 1 FOPS, and TOPS certification. We have an orange grab bar independently bolted to the side, where it would be easily replaced if damaged. Our large cab entry is just under 20 inches, making it one of the largest in the industry. Additionally, the Volvo will also have an orange footstep that will provide you with better traction when getting in and out of the cab. Below the entry, we have a lockable toolbox, making for a perfect storage solution for chains, grease guns, or any other tools. Taking a look at the back of the machine, we are going to have the exclusive to Volvo hydraulic filter. This additional filter allows the hydraulic motors and hydraulic attachments oil to be pre-filtered before going into the main hydraulic system. Additionally, in the back you will have the main control valve plus the fuel fill. This allows us to inspect the control valve for any potential leaks every time you refuel the machine. Additionally, the hood acts as a protective cover when refueling and is lockable with the same key as the rest of the machine. As we move to the engine compartment, to save time, we have easy access to most maintenance items. This includes the starter, the belts, and the coolers. Taking a look inside the cab, the first thing you will notice is all the available room. The Volvo is going to provide a comfortable, safe environment that any operator would love to work within. The Volvo is going to have full-size metal travel controls, making operating a breeze and taking away from any potential wear points. As you can see, the controls are going to move with the seat. The armrests are adjustable as well, again providing that comfortable experience for the operator. The top window has an integrated storage area for the lower window, allowing for a smooth motion to raise both windows. Inside the cab, you will find a robust heating and cooling system with vents behind the seats, providing the operator with the utmost comfort. While in the cab, you will see the control lever that will operate the float blade. When creating a level surface at a job site, a float blade will handle the task with ease. A button will activate the float feature, leaving you full control to turn on or turn off with the ergonomic lever. The red button on top will control your high and low travel speed. Taking a look at the display, you will see just how customizable your operations can be. Operated by a jog wheel, there are numerous functions you can control inside the display. These functions include pattern control change, auxiliary hydraulics, flows, and if single or dual directions, allowing for multiple saved profiles. If you are interested or have any questions on what you heard today, please reach out to your local Volvo dealer. They would be more than happy to help.